Come to my midwife appointment with me. I can't believe I'm 23 weeks already. Time is going so quick. Last time I was here, I was getting my flu vaccine, which me and Ottie both have. It's offered to pregnant women during autumn and winter when flu spreads more easily, and you can have it in any stage of pregnancy, which is so handy. I also had my whooping cough vaccine at my 20-week scan, and they offer it in every pregnancy, ideally between 20 and 32 weeks. It helps protect your baby from birth, and then my midwife said today that my next vaccine will be the RSV vaccine around 28 weeks. This helps protect babies in those first few months when they're most vulnerable. Honestly, it feels so good knowing I'm doing what I can to keep us both safe. And lastly, do you think baby's heartbeat sounds like a galloping horse or a train?